Okay, first we discuss pharmacodynamic interaction. These are those interactions where the effect of one drug can be changed by the presence of another drug at its site of action. बाज दफा ड्रग एक ही साइट के लिए compete करती है एक ही रिसेप्टर पर. For example, salbutamol and propranolol, they both compete for receptor site and sometimes they interact on one side indirectly. Synergistic effects. If two drugs having the same pharmacological activity are given together, they enhance their pharmacological activity. For example, if we give alprazolam with alcohol, both are a CNS depressant. They decrease the CNS activity and cause depression, drowsiness, etc. एक दूसरे के इफेक्ट को बढ़ा देते हैं और साथ ही साथ टॉक्सिसिटी भी क्रिएट कर देते हैं. सिनर्जिस्टिक इफेक्ट को हम कंबाइंड टॉक्सिसिटी भी कहते हैं और एडिटिव्स भी कहते हैं. Opposing interactions. Some pair of drugs with activities which are opposed to each other and act as antagonists. For example, if we give anticoagulant warfarin with vitamin K, the anticoagulant activity of the warfarin will oppose. Interaction due to changes in drug transport mechanisms. A number of drugs present whose actions occur at adrenergic neurons, they can be prevented by other drugs. For example, if we give clonidine with tricyclic antidepressants, they results in change in antihypertensive activity due to the interference of tricyclic antidepressant with clonidine uptake in CNS. Number 4, interaction due to disturbance in fluid and electrolyte balance. किसी भी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बैलेंस या फ्लूइड डिस्टर्बेंस से इंटरेक्शन हो जाना. For example, digitalis with potassium depleting diuretics for furosemide. Potassium depleting diuretics ऑटोमेटिकली मायोकार्डियम की सेंसिटिविटी को इंक्रीज कर देगा जिसकी वजह से डिजिटालिस के टॉक्सिसिटी होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे.